Good morning, family. So welcome back to your channel. Today's video is going to be a fall cozy rainy day in video. So I am asleep. Okay, seriously, I am asleep. Okay, but I'm going to show you what I do on days like this. This is like my second fall cozy in day where it's actually been raining outside and it calls for comfort food and just everything fall. So here's what I do. I normally wake up, and this is like my real life routine, even when it's not a fall cozy day, but I thought I'd share it with you. So I normally check my phone for like missed calls or text messages, basically just to make sure there's no emergencies that happened while I was asleep. And then I actually get up and start my day. I start by making up my bed first, because for me, it's like if I make the bed up, I won't get back in the bed 9 times out of 10, but sometimes it don't matter, even if I make it up. But it just starts my day. It makes me feel more productive and like, you know, my life is in order. So I just start by making up, my bed for the day and thinking while I'm doing so, and pay no attention, okay, to this quilt. That is a king size quilt, sis. Why is it not fitting this bed? I don't know. I mean, it's fitting the bed like a pair of thongs. I'm just not understanding. Like, what? Look at it. Okay, anyway, we'll fix that later. I have a brand new comforter, but I want to show it to you before I actually put it on the bed. So, goodbye, baby quilt, okay? So, I'm just going to make the bed, and, yeah, you can watch me. You should be making your bed first thing in the AM as well, sis, to start your day so that you can feel productive, like your girl's doing right here. Just enjoy. Let's go do our morning routine, which is teeth brushing, bathroom usage, and all that jazz. Early in this morning, cozy morning, actually. It's so cozy! I'm so excited. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just really excited. I love when it gives me a reason to stay home and nestled in my humble abode. Okay, so this clip is actually from yesterday, because I cooked this pot roast literally all night long. This is so a fall comfort food, and let me tell you guys, this thing melted in my mouth like butter, okay? Literally cooked all night long. Okay, sis, back to the clip, honey. This is now the current day, but this is what it looks like. Oh my God. Oh, I have to sample a piece. I just have to. So freaking good. Okay, sis. Oh, I can't. It's just too much. So delicious. I thought I actually had the clips of what all I put into it, but I couldn't find them when I went to edit this video. So anyway, I'll try and leave down below what I put in mine. It's very simple instructions, or recipe rather. But it is delicious. Okay, victory dance for some good food. Okay, she's way too freaking excited. Like, stop it. Okay. Okay, let's brew some good old coffee because this is legit my everyday morning, daytime routine for the most part. But you know I have to light my 50 million candles, honey, to start my day as well. This comes with making up the bed, sis. So I'm going to light all my candles while my coffee is brewing. And then I can show you what else your girl does in a day, especially this day. My little fall station, girl. Okay, y'all know I gotta light all these candles. Let me just go ahead and light my candles and stop talking. So here I am outside on the patio. I come out here every day no matter what the weather is. This particular day it is raining. It has rained all night. It's cold outside, but I have a heating pad behind me and then this blanket, and I will just sit out here. I will meditate. I will pray. I thank God constantly for the life I live, all my blessings, and I just do a lot of reflecting out here. And actually I spend quite a bit of time out here just relishing in the moment and loving life, while you should be doing the exact same thing, brothers and sisters, just relishing in the moment. Okay, life is too short. Now it's time for some good old comfort food. Oh my goodness. And a movie lineup, of course. Your girl has to have her movie lineup, okay? Okay, so here I'm just nestling into a cozy, actually this is the Food Network that I'm watching. I like to watch that in the mornings because I think I can cook and I be getting ideas and all that jazz. So that's all I'm doing here is just nestling in to start my day, really, or afternoon, I should say. Okay, you guys, so that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you want to see more videos like this one. And as you can see, grandmother duties. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.
Coming for you. It's coming for you. Ah.